New research suggests that effective wound healing may be aided by replicating a crucial component of our blood. The finding is published in the journal Advanced Functional Materials. Platelet-rich plasma (PRP) is a natural healing substance in our blood. This study explores ways of enhancing the wound healing process by extracting PRP from the blood of a patient with a complex skin wound and manipulating it through 3D printing to form an implant for tissue repair, which can be used to treat difficult to heal skin wounds in a single surgical procedure. Results showed that application of the 3D printed PRP implant helped to speed up the healing of the wound by enabling efficient vascularization, meaning development of new blood vessels, and inhibiting fibrosis, that is scarring, thickening of tissue, both of which are essential for effective wound healing.